So hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing this Yaekoo World War II reproduction helmet that I ordered from Amazon. It was just under $90 Canadian. So this is an unboxing. Very excited to see what this looks like when the zombies come. You know, I think it's important that we equip ourselves for the wars to come. Here it is in a nondescript green packaging saying made in China to Canada. Okay. Quite solid. Oh wow, okay, all right. A couple of people have said there was some paint chips on it, so I'm going to check it closely. Oh yeah, a little bit of missing paint here, a little bit. There's the underside. Okay, looks comfortable. Looks well supported actually. Okay, let's see what this looks like here. Okay, nice leather strap. Quite a few holes. All right. Oh wow. Okay. All right. Well, I mean, I don't know if I can adjust this without the mirror here, but there we go. Okay, well,